Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this a small video about US dollar index. As you all know, today is the election day. Polling is about to finish, and counting of the votes will be already in some of the states already started, right? So in maybe hopefully a few hours we will start to get results, right? And that's where the fireworks are gonna start, right? All day it was slow. I thought maybe we're gonna get some volatility, but I forgot that it will not start until the results will start to come, right? So and then we are like maybe a few hours away from that. So this is then the most affected, possibly affected thing would be a U.S. dollar index, right? So this is the U.S. dollar index weekly chart I made on the 26th October last month, right? And this is what I said, that we have gone to the upside to this level here. 1347 was my final target. And I said we're going to pop a little bit more, hit this 1347 or maybe one of these lows here, 13, around like, 1347, 1350, 60, 655, something like that. And then we're going to drop from there back to 0926. That was my take, and it was if it will happen, then what will happen to the pairs, USD pairs? This will happen, right? So your USD, pound USD, or the USD and the USD supposed to be going to the upside with this down move in the US dollar index, and UJ, UC, and UF supposed to be going down with this weakness in US dollar index, right? So far today, right now, it is November 5th, 7 p.m. This is what we have. This is what we have, right? So we went there. Exactly how far we went. Let's see. The highest is 1364, right? So this is 1347. This one of these low here. This one is 64. Exactly 1364. So we went up there and touched this level 1364, and then from there on start to drop, came back to 1195 and stalling there, right? So let's see, like I said, that as the results start to come, it will start to move faster and faster. So, and all the other pairs will move accordingly, all of these pairs, right? Obviously, other currencies will be affected as well. But let's take a look at the 40-minute chart. The chart I made for 40 minutes was this US dollar index 40-minute chart on the 26th October, that this is the area 1347, 1390. So somewhere there is supposed to make the turn and then go back to 09, 26, or even more to the downside. So we are not there yet. We are at 1195. Let's take a look at that. US dollar index went up 1347, a little bit more than that, at 1364. And then from there, we dropped to 1195. So far, right now, we are at this number. Just a little bit more than that, right? So let's see what happened, right? Like I said, that in few hours, fireworks start, and all the pairs will move. So let's take a look at the pairs one by one, what happened. US dollar index, let me see. I'm just going to show the 40-minute chart. So my 40-minute chart, this was, let me see. Pound USD supposed to be going up. Euro USD supposed to be going up. So pound USD was all the way here, and I said we're gonna be bouncing. I had a couple of long as well. I showed it you already, and I posted on my website as well, right? So we went back to this number here, 3044. So let's see what happened from there on. So it is going to the upside nice and clean, because the drop was very, very bad, very big drop all the way to straight line. So it has to go to the upside, right? With more weakness coming in, the US dollar index, the more it's going to go to the upside, right? Now, Euro USD did the same thing. It was all the way here, 0761. I said we're going to go back to 0917 at least. So we did already. Now, if more USD weakness comes in, it will go even more, probably 1069 and even higher. Let's see. Today is a big day. A lot of volatility is going to be coming soon. Right. So similarly, USD-CAD, USD yen supposed to be going down. So let's go take a look at that. USD-CAD, it was all the way here, and I said we're going to be dropping here, and we started to drop. Right. Similarly, USD franc supposed to be dropping. It dropped a little bit, but it started to drop. Right. UJ, this is how it is right now. Let me see if I can get rid of this line here, and then you can see this is how it is, right? So what's happening is that with the US dollar index weakness, it is dropping, but yen is also so far weak, so it's not coming down as fast, right? So maybe if USD gets weaker more, then maybe yen is gonna get strong, right? Because right now nowadays we have like inverse relationship between these two currencies. So one gets strong, the other one gets weaker, right? So if that's the case, that we will see more to the downside on this one as well. So I'm ready. Are you? Let's take a look in a few more hours that, if the volatility start to pick up, I will be very, very, like cautious and probably not going to take any trades for several hours. And when the dust will be settling down a little bit, then maybe tomorrow I'll see that if I can take. But in the meantime, I'll be, keep you guys updating. If you want to take the trade, be, uh, be careful, right? So this is it for now. Let's see. Just watching the TV, and results will about to start. And after that, we will have some fireworks, right? So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. See, this is well, forget about it. Yeah.